Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Epic Games error code IS-IN-MF01-32-32. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to fix the Epic Games error code, which usually occurs when a file fails to reallocate during game installation. Start by disabling unnecessary background application through the Startup tab in Task Manager, as this can interfere with the Epic Games launcher. If this resolves the issue, you can identify the specific culprit by re-enabling startup applications one by one. Next, run the program Install and Uninstall Troubleshooter from Microsoft, which automatically repairs installation issues and fixes corrupted registry keys. If the error persists, reach out to the Epic Games Player support team via their official website for further assistance and guidance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.